Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Portronics Harmonic 22 earbuds. This is definitely one of the highly awaited earbuds that was recently launched and has been gaining a lot of positive feedback from users. So let's start with the unboxing. The packaging of the Portronics Harmonic 22 earbuds is pretty sleek and minimalistic. As soon as you open the box, you'll find the earbuds, charging case, UPS cable, and extra ear tip. The charging case is pretty compact and durable. It has a LED indicator which helps you monitor when the earbuds are fully charged. I have to say, I'm quite impressed with the build quality of the charging case. Moving on to the earbuds themselves, they come in a matte black finish, which looks quite elegant. The ear tips of the earbuds are made up of silicone, which provides a comfortable fit and prevents the earbuds from falling off while you're on the move. The earbuds also have an IPX5 rating, which makes them water resistant. This is a great feature, especially if you're someone who loves to work out or listen to music while jogging in the rain. Now, let's talk about the sound quality of the Portronics Harmonic 22 earbuds. To start off, they have a powerful bass response, which is quite impressive for such small earbuds. The mids and highs are also quite clear and crisp, which adds a very immersive experience to the overall sound quality. Whether you're listening to pop, hip-hop, or any other genre, the earbuds do an excellent job of delivering great sound quality. Another great feature is the touch controls on the earbuds. They're quite responsive and easy to use. You can play, pause your music, skip tracks, and even activate Siri or Google Assistant. Additionally, the Portronics Harmonic 22 earbuds have a microphone built, in which allows you to take calls without having to take out your phone. Lastly, let's talk about the battery life of the earbuds. The earbuds themselves have a battery life of around 5 hours on a single charge, which is decent. However, with the charging case, you can get up to 25 hours of total playback time. It's also worth mentioning that the charging time of the This means that you can charge the earbuds multiple times before needing to recharge the case itself. The charging time for the earbuds is also relatively quick, taking only about an hour to fully charge. This is great for those who are always on the go and need their earbuds to be ready at a moment's notice. Overall, the battery life of these earbuds is impressive and should be more than enough for most users. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.